Hello and welcome to our channel.
In this video, I will teach you how to make a graph on Google Sheets. For this, first of all, go to docs.google.com/spreadsheets. Now, create a blank document or select your file. Now, fill up the data. Now, to create a graph, select all the data. Select Insert from menu bar. Now, click on the fifth option, which is Chart. It will create a chart like this. On this, you will see types of chart you can select as per your choice. You can see I selected this. Now on Customize section, you can change chart type, font size and type, and so on. This is how you do it.
I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.